lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hi water signs! Welcome po sa inyong reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan. So kung gusto niyo po sumali, you're very much welcome. Kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, no, personal questions, sasabihin ko po sa inyo mamaya, no, sa pagtapos ng video na ito, or bago matapos ang video na ito, kung paano, no, saan nyo ako ma-reach out. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na po tayo. So, I feel like ngayon, no, nagbubukas na itong portal ng ating maturity, no? Hindi nyo ba napapansin na parang we are reinventing ourselves lately, na kung dating outgoing tayo, no, kung dating palalabas tayo, you can feel the yung pagbabago. I think that this is, I think that for a few numbers of you, gradual, pero bigla na lang din merong click, no? At yung sinasabi nila sa water signs, may saltek na bigla na lang din, o kahapon lang ayaw mo ng ganyan, ngayon gusto mo na siyang itry. You are trying to reinvent yourself, and I feel like nandito na tayo sa pagiging seryoso sa buhay, no? Marami na tayo ngayong mga kino-consider na mga pangyayari, no? Kumbaga dati we were siguro just choosing our own happiness, no? Bahala na si Batman kung meron tayong masaktan na tao. Ang importante sa akin is yung kasiyahan ko. Now, we are considering other people na tama ba na magiging masaya ako kung meron naman ako nasasaktang tao, no? Or tama bang ito magiging decision ko, pero kumbaga pagdating ng panahon wala naman pala akong mahihita, no? I think that you're giving up a lot of temporary happiness, and what you're focusing on right now is sa future. And speaking of, no, you're too much, not really that much, pero too much compare from the past. You are heading towards more of a future event, no? Nandun na yung nagsisave tayo, maraming na tayong gustong gawin, no? Is it part of growing up? Or ganitong kabata, meron ka ng identity, no, it's not a, midlife crisis, identity crisis, midlife crisis. Well, for a few numbers of you, it could be an identity crisis. But whatever it is that you're choosing right now, I feel like you are heading towards the right path, no? With the Hangman and the Strength card. Siguro marami pa rin tayong mga sinasabi ditong hinihindian na instead na sabihin kong hindi, no, mananahimik tayo, no? Kasi ang hirap din naman magsabi na gusto kong baguhin itong nararanasan ko ngayon, no? Mahirap din sabihin. I feel like na medyo hindi tayo na comfortable, or probably we are too comfortable from what we are experiencing right now. Tapos sinasabi natin na nabobore ako dito, no? Nabobore ako sa ginagawa ko. I need to elevate. I need to add more. Stop this. do something else, no? One thing's for sure, parang hindi tayo mapakali lately, no? Um, Parang either we really need to change something or totally leave what we are doing to do something greater, no? Maraming mga nakaimbak na plans sa isip natin na parang eto na yung push, eto na yung gagawin, and I do really need to do it. With the hangman, no, clarified by the Eight of Swords and the Tower. So ang nakikita natin dito, um, alam mo yung procrastinations, no, yun ang nagiging daan para hindi mo ma-achieve ang isang bagay, and especially to you, no? Siguro ito din yung mga pagkikimkim, no, sa sarili, yung hindi mo pagsasalita, yun yung nagiging challenges. I feel like you already identified that ang tanging pumipigil, no, sa iyong progress is also you. Whether this is financial, emotional, romantic, spiritual, it could be, um, kung ano man itong pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. So, nandito na tayo na I am going to do it, no? Whether this is you or this is your person, you can switch the energies, by the way. What I am reading here is the dynamic. One thing's for sure. Merong tao na magsasabi dito na kailangan gawin ko na, no? Kailangan sabihin ko na. Kailangan magtapat na ako. Kailangan mag-initiate na ako kasi walang nangyayari, no? Ako na ang gagawa ng paraan, ako na ang gagawa ng way para umusad, tumakbo, no? Magkaroon ng progress itong experience ko with the King of Wands. So I feel like this can be a self conversation, no? Siguro humaharap tayo sa salamin, kinakausap natin, kaya mo yan, no? Or this can also be a brutally honest communication with the person. I feel like parating na itong communication na ito na no, parang wala tayong apprehensions, um, ang katotohanan lang, no, yung sasabihin natin, especially when it comes to our emotion, no, parang hindi na rin ako makapagpigil kung ano yung nararamdaman ko. So kaya aamin na ako, no? With the Page of Swords. So ito yung parang we are going to have an agreement with the person. An agreement that this should be a win-win situation. Willing ka na makipag negotiate, no? Willing kang sige, mag-a-adjust ako, pero yung adjustment ko, dapat ikaw din may adjustment. So I feel like itong sitwasyon na ito, nagiging mapagbigay, no? Nagiging broader yung ating mind din. Mas nagiging tao tayo, no? Ang ating pagpapakatao. With the Nine of Swords, saan ba tayo nai-stress ngayon? Kung I feel like napapangunahan tayo ng takot, no? Or baka excited tayo kaya tayo nai-stress din. Sometimes yung excitement can give us stressful moments, no? Lalo na kapag sa sobrang excitement natin, hindi tayo makatulog, no? Hindi tayo makapag-isip ng maayos. Kasi kumbaga na foresee, no, na preempt na natin itong mangyayari. Kaso ang assumptions natin, especially from the past, is mga negatives. So I feel like this should be cut off with the Wheel of Fortune and the Ace of Pentacles. So kung meron man ditong separations, no, na nangyayari, the separations can be physical or energetic. Physical, the person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent, nasa kabilang bahay, nasa kabilang isla, that's physical. Energetic separations, ito po yung separation na nakikita nga kayo, hindi kayo nag-uusap, kung nag-uusap man, parang ang lamya-lamya, sandaling-sandali lang, hindi tulad ng dati. Now, our question here is, babalik ba yung dati? Or malalagpasan ba namin to? Kumbaga, is this connection going to another level of commitment? Isa lang ang ina-assure ng cards, that is a yes. And I think that this is more than what you um, thought of, more than what you expect, dahil I feel like there is some blessings, no? Kaya simulan na ngayong araw na ito. With the Hermit, so you have to make a decision. You've been through a lot of pain lately. I think the enlightenment already, no? Parang nag-sink in, na-download na sa atin. I also feel na magkakaroon dito ng communication about maturity for the both of you. An agreement for the both of you to see the light towards, this dark tunnel. With the Five of Cups. So marami rin ditong, is this New Year's resolution then? Or, bakit hindi kayo gumawa ng resolution yung kayong magjowa, no? Na hindi ko na uulitin tong ganito. Kind of like an open forum. With the Five of Cups, meron ditong hihingi ng tawad sa inyo. I feel like ang paghingi ng tawad na ito is this is a mature way for them to realize the damage, no, that they did to you. It could be your mental health was also damaged by them. I feel like you are evolving into something from the King of Wands to an Emperor. So I feel like all the power is in you now. Wag lang nating sayangin itong pagkakataong binibigay, no? Kasi ang nakikita natin dito, nandito ka sa transformation era mo eh, no? So I hope the transformation here is for the better, no? Kasi yung iba minsan nadi-distract, no? The transformation is destruction. I hope that this is something that can elevate your well-being, your relationship, no? With the Nine of Wands. So ang nakikita natin dito with the Nine of Wands is more of paghingi ng tawad, ulitin, or ituloy itong relasyong nabitin. The King of Pentacles, I love the King of Pentacles showed up. Now kasi parang if you were deprived, no, by your person, especially with their abundance, abundance can be literally money. Abundance can also be time, energy, effort, love, no? I feel like with the King of Pentacles, ito yung time na ibibigay niya sa iyo kung ano man yung hindi niya naibigay dati. No, magiging generous na siya. So that is actually a promise. I'm seeing the Queen of Cups and also the Four of Wands. So kung dati hinahanap natin kung nasaan yung pagmamahal niya, no, I feel like meron siyang ditong papatunayan. The transformation in here, I'm seeing cohabitation, proposal, or marriage. So yung living in together, no, proposal kung medyo nakakaangat sa buhay or diretso na ng kasal. Kung marami man tayong mga tanong-tanong sa ating relationship nitong mga nakaraang araw, linggo o buwan, I feel like masasagot na ito at papatunayan na ni person, no, na wala kang dapat ipag-alala. So this is your reading. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto niyo pong sumali, you're very much welcome. Kung hindi niyo po maabutan, pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. So kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, no, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. There is a link po dito sa description box ng video na ito. Click nyo yung website, yung link, dadiretso kayo din sa ating website. makikita niyo po yung question form. Nandun po yung name, number, amount per question, QR code for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa website, no? So tingnan natin dito ang zodiac sign ni person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Scorpio, Leo, Sagittarius, Virgo, no? Pisces, Aries, Cancer, Taurus, Capricorn. Yan po. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.